welcome to Beauty First and 10. If you're new here, hi, my name is Debbie and I'm so happy to have you on my channel. And today we're going to go through everything that I am packing for my Caribbean cruise. So I'm doing a cruise on New Year's Eve. This is the first time I've ever done that. And so I went to Loft and picked up a bunch of items just to be kind of festive and party ready for the whole cruise. And also stay tuned for the end of the video and I'll show you the dress I'm going to wear for New Year's Eve. It is so pretty. I love it. And I also got that at Loft. And then also stay tuned for my Walmart winter haul. That also has some party outfits that'll also be perfect for New Year's. Everything I got on Loft, I shopped online. And I did mostly store pickup, but I also had a couple items that were shipped. So let's dive in and I'll also show you how I'm going to style and wear these on the cruise. And up first is this tank. So this tank is $25 and I got it in size small. And if any of the sizes didn't work out for me, then I'll put them up there so that you guys can also know if they run small or large. But this one is so fun. So it's got a tank here that has adjustable straps, which is always nice, but I'll kind of do this so you can kind of see it. So it's got both sequins and then it also has a little bit of fringe. And so I think this will be great. You know, it's going to be hot on the Caribbean cruise. And so I don't want to wear a ton of sweaters. So I just thought this was super fun and only 25 bucks. This is not bad. This one does not appear to be in store though. So you will have to ship this one, but they have a lot of free shipping. There's also a ton of coupons and deals. So if you're still looking for your New Year's Eve outfit, they've got plenty of time to still get it to you. Okay, the next item I got is this tee. So this is also from Loft. This is only $18. I got this in size small, but I just think that's great. It's got the New Year's on it, and this is a long sleeve tee, but you know, there's lots of stuff that goes on during the day, so you're not always, you know, dressed up all cruise long. So I think this will be great paired with some shorts to just kind of hang around the cruise ship. Now, one of the other items that I got shipped is something that I think will be great for dinner on the cruise ship as we're leading up to New Year's Eve. And so I got this other, I have a lot of sequins. I bought a lot of sequins for this experience. And so it's a shift sequins dress. And this I got in a size 6, and this has just such pretty shimmer to it. It's also got pockets, so this is a sheath dress. The pockets are functional. I did try this on and they didn't have my size, but this is only $41. I think this is gonna be great for one of the nights that we go for dinner. I just really think this is festive, but you know, also is just really pretty, and it's not like screaming sequins. It doesn't have a lot of fringe like it does with the tank. So this will be nice, very elegant, very excited. But if you also have somewhere to go for the holiday season, think about this one. It doesn't always have to be black and silver for the holidays. Okay, up next is this skirt. And I'm gonna admit, I'm not kind of sure about this skirt, but I thought it was worth a try. I think this will be great paired with anything black. I think you could also do white if you were, you know, off-white. They do have a top that's matching, so if we were gonna do an all-white, then I would get the matching one. This is kind of a tulle skirt, so I'll bring it in. Now it is on both sides, so when you sit down, you will smush it just a little bit, but this is $32, and I got this in my normal size 8, and I think this is gonna be a little bit short, but I think it'll still be appropriate, but I think it's just kind of festive. I also think this transitions really nice into Valentine's Day, so if you haven't decided on that outfit either, then check this one out. And like I said, they do have the matching top as well. I will link that in the description box down below, along with the rest of these items to make it easier for you to order. And the next thing we have is this little bustier. So how adorable is this? Now, granted, you could certainly wear this for Christmas Eve, but red is not specific to that. And then also, like I said, Valentine's Day is just around the corner, and I think this would also be really cute. And I did get this in a size 8. I like to have a little bit of room, although I didn't realize when I ordered that it has some stretch back here. So it's not as tight as some of the other bustiers that I get from like White House Black Market, where there is no give in those at all. So you could probably just get your regular size, but if you wanted to size down, I think that would also be okay. And this is only $27. So again, Loft has some great things. They have a ton of deals going on right now, so you won't pay full price for any item right now, and they do have a lot of great free shipping deals. Now, the other item I got is a 2-piece set, but you buy them separately, but like they really go well together. And so I have this tank top, and I'll bring this in so you can kind of see that shimmer there. And I got this in size medium. This is just $21. And then you could certainly wear that alone. Again, like I said, it's going to be hot on the cruise, so you know, with a pair of shorts would also be great. But you can also pair it with this little cardigan. I did get this in a medium as well, and this was $32. But it's got all these little bows on it, and I'll bring that in so you can kind of see that there. So there's a little bit of gaping. So this isn't going to be worn alone, so you can either wear this with a white tank top, black, or you can pair it with the one that they have. But again, I just think this is super festive. And again, you know, I mean, you're not always going out to dinner on a cruise. There's a lot of trivia and bingo and other things. So I like to have some other outfits, but still be festive all cruise long. The next item I have from my pickup order is this tee. And this one's great too. So it's got kind of a nighttime scene on it. It's got the moon. And this, kind of like the other one that had the New Year's Eve glasses on it, is just $18. So again, great deal. Really like this. This is just, you know, got a little bit of sequins, a little bit of sparkle without being over the top. And long sleeves is nice. You can certainly get this up. I did get this one in a size small. It looked a little boxy in the medium. So I did go down a little size so that it, you know, kind of was a little bit more fitted. And then I did want some stuff that was still kind of Christmassy. So I got this sweater, and this sweater is a red sweater and it says Mary on it, but I think you can certainly wear this more than just right now. And this one was $35. I did get this in a size medium, but I just think it's really nice. You know, it's a simple sweater. It doesn't need to scream, you know, slay all day or, you know, a special slogan. Mary is just fine. Okay, the next thing I got is this sweatshirt. So this is Let It Snow. I think this is great for winter time as well. This was just $32. It is a lightweight sweatshirt, and I did get this in size medium. I'll bring that in so you can kind of see that. But I think this is great just for watching football, because playoffs are definitely coming up and you'll need something for cozy season. So this is also a great steal. And another thing I got is this sweater, which I think is gonna be great for winter. I got this in a size small. This is $33, but it's just got all this cute horseshoe pattern on it. Horses have been really big this year, and I think that trend is gonna continue in 2026. So definitely check that one out as well. And then I'm going to show you the dress that I got for New Year's. So it is this sequins dress. This was $67 on Loft. And I got this in a size 8. And it's got adjustable straps, but just how fun is this? So it's sequins, but it's also got a little bit of kind of like a Art Deco sort of print to it, if you can kind of see that there. And this is, you know, kind of a long dress. This is going to be a midi dress. So pretty. So I'm very excited about that. And I'm also going to share 2 purses that I have. Both are by Kate Spade that I think are also perfect for the festive season. So this one's got an olive, and it's, you know, like kind of a martini glass. And then the other one I have is this one that says Toast to the Town. And I also got the champagne bottle that comes with it that says Cheers, darling. But this is really cute when it's sticking out. It's got little ice cubes. So these are the 2 purses that I'm taking with me on the cruise to pair with a lot of these outfits. So this way I have a black one, but then I also have a navy one. So it'll kind of go with everything. And I hope everyone has a great festive season. I hope everyone has a great 2026. And I will see you in my next video. I hope everyone has a good day and happy shopping.